How to approve Cash App request. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can approve a Cash App request, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to approve a Cash App request, let's say you're receiving money from someone and then you want to approve that request. It is very simple. All you have to do is simply for that, go ahead and then open up Cash App here. Once you open up Cash App, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where what you need to do is you just need to tap the profile icon. Now once you're here, most likely if someone has sent you a money, right, it is not going to get added directly to your account. You need to just tap the activity icon from the bottom right of the screen. That is this clock like icon here, as you can see. Once you're here on this icon, what you want to do is you'll find the green accept button right next to the transaction that you would like to approve. So you can simply go ahead and tap on the accept button right next to it, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then accept them accordingly. This way you can go ahead and then basically approve a Cash App transaction. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.